Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna unbox this. Yeah. So this is the box. There's a box inside. So this is the paper bag. Of course, kaya sinabi kong mag-unbox tayo kasi merong nasa loob. Yesterday I posted a My Day telling about this paper bag. Maraming nag-react. Of course, this is Henry's paper bag. So, syempre, ang ina-expect ng iba is once na makita to is camera kagad or something. And yeah, we're gonna unbox this and tignan natin kung ano yung laman. Of course, alam ko na pero tignan nyo. Okay? So maraming nag-a-ask kung ano talaga yung laman nito kasi nag-post ako sa My Day ko and then lahat ng nagchat-chat is karamihan is camera yung sinasabi. Pero yeah, so tingnan natin. Okay? Yeah. Hey! Ba't nandito ka? Anyway guys, so this is my my friend. Her name is Tilly. Okay? So karamihan sa mga vlogs ko or tutorial siguro hindi niyo siya makikita kasi syempre mas cute siya sa akin. So yeah. Bye. Anyway guys, so totohanan na ito na talaga yung box and makikita natin kung ano talaga yung laman nito. Okay? Okay, so first is that box. Ilalagay ko muna siya dito. First is this one. Okay? So medyo mahaba siya and try to guess kung ano talaga yung laman nito. So I'm gonna unbox this one. Yeah. Kapag mga ganitong box, mas madali na siyang ma-detect for us as photographers or videographers para sa kanila. Yeah, so kapag ganito yung mga box, alam na yan. Pero sa mga nagsisimula pa lang, of course, siguro, hindi nyo pa alam. Pero anyway, so, ito is, of course, ito is tripod, of course. So, ito yung first na in-unbox natin and then number one is tripod. So kung merong tripod, ano kaya yung next? Okay? Is there a camera na nilalagay dito or something? We'll see. Anyway, yung second is this. Okay? So, andito yung box. So hindi ko na siya papakita kasi masyado siyang malaki. So yung first is yung tripod and then yung next is medyo malaki siya pero yep, adjustable siya. So ito is yung tinatawag na malalaman nyo na agad kung ano yung nasa box by just looking at this. Okay? So yung next is yung soft box. Okay? So yung tinatawag na soft box, normally yan yung nakikita nyo sa mga studio kapag nagpapapicture kayo ng 2x2 para sa passport nyo and para sa trabaho nyo. Passport size pala yun. So hindi siya 2x2. So ito is yung soft box. So ito yung brand niya is it is RMA. It is RMA and then medyo may pagka Chinese siya. And then yung last is this. So guys, nakita ko na yung stock nito sa Henry's. So ngayon is makikita na natin yung original and then yung pinakabago talaga. Okay? So this is the last one. Yep. Yan, box na natin. There's a little box inside. So, ito muna unahin natin before yung malaki. So, basically, it is just the adapter. Okay? Yep, adapter. And, yeah. Hindi ma-detect kasi may face detector siya. Yung camera. Anyway, so, this is the small box. Ito lang yung laman niya. Whoop! Yeah. And then, this one is, ingay ko, no? Para kung katulad ni, nakalimutan ko kung sino yung nag-unbox ng ng PS4 na anyway, so this is the last one, okay? So it is a studio light or a LED light, okay? Okay guys, so ito lahat yung binili ko kahapon sa Henry's Cameras. Yep, so bumili ako talaga ng lighting for my vlog and for everything. This is the RMA LED photo or video light. So yung tinatawag din nila na studio light, okay? So it has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 48 plus 60, 108. Yeah. Calculator. 188. So guys, 188 LED light yung nandito sa loob. So of course, if maraming LED, mas better kasi mas malakas yung light. Okay? So guys, alam ko ngayon is nag-ask kayo bakit hindi camera yung binili mo or bakit hindi lenses or expensive lenses. Of course, at first is wala pa akong pera. Okay? For that expensive cameras and for that expensive lens. So right now guys, I'm using Canon zoom lens. So 18 to 55 mm. So 3.5 yung aperture niya to 5.6. So hindi siya maganda sa low light condition. Okay? So this type of LED light, kaya niyang tulungan yung camera na mas makapag-focus sa low light conditions. That's why I'm a big fan of lightings. Kaya marami akong lights na palagi kong pinapakita sa mga viewers or sa YouTube. Okay? Why did I choose to buy LED lights instead of flash or yung mga nakikita nyo sa cameras? Yeah, so flash nga tawag doon. So yung first, I'm more into vlogging and studio type setup. So right now, dahil pandemic ngayon and starting from March hanggang ngayon is July 31, 2020. So March, April, May, June, July. So 5 months wala akong client sa labas. So outdoor shoots, okay? Lahat ng ginagawa ko karamihan ngayon is more on vlogging and studio type setup. Comparing sa mga camera flashes, yung LED lights, meron silang tinatawag na temperature settings or yung Kelvin. So basically, meron silang color temperature. So once na binaba natin yung Kelvin settings from 5K papunta sa 4K plus na Kelvin settings, mas magiging warmer yung tone nung skin tone natin at the same time yung backdrop. And once na tinaas natin yung Kelvin pataas papuntang 7K or 8K, mas magiging warmer yung look. And then yung backdrop. Gusto ko lang ipaliwanag ngayon na ayoko lang magstay sa pagiging photographer and I want to be a videographer someday or a filmmaker. So mas better na mas, ako kasi pag nag-aaral ng photography, kalat din. Nag-aaral ako ng photography at the same time, nagiging interested din ako sa videography. And then sa filmmaking. And then may pinapanood na lang ako sa YouTube or any kind of that thing. And then, yeah. So kung itatanong nyo sa akin right now, kung kailangan natin mag-invest sa mga lightings, and then, para sa mga photos natin and videos, then I will say a big yes. Okay guys, so here's the reason why kung bakit natin kailangan mag-invest in lightings. Okay? Right now, merong light dito sa part na to. And then medyo dito sa hair light, yung tinatawag dyan. And that is my, itong ilaw mismo sa kwarto ko. Ito yung reason kung bakit ako nag-i-invest sa lightings. Okay? So yung first is this. Yung next is this. Yung third na light ko is in front of me. And then yung last is this. And my laptop is open. This is my face. This is the backdrop. And so ito yung reason kung bakit kailangan natin ng studio lightings or lights or flashlight kung meron man kayo. Kasi I'm just using my flashlight din. So kung nag-i-start pa lang tayo, we should invest sa mga lightings before tayo pumunta sa mga expensive na cameras or lenses. Okay? 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And my laptop. And 5. First, I have my, this thing sa mga nag-subscribe sa akin. Kung ikaw is bago ka pa lang, mag-subscribe ka na. Kasi malapit na tayo sa 1K subs. Okay? So, dual purpose siya. Meron siyang electric fan at the same time, yung light, na magbibigay ng light sa akin dito sa left side. Yung next is firefly din. Electric fan din talaga siya actually. Yung Omni, ito yung flashlight. To get rid of some shadows dito sa part ko. Kasi once na pinatay natin yan, makikita nyo yung difference. Yup, you see that? And then yung last is yung main light na tinatawag. So yan yung nagbibigay talaga nung buhay sa backdrop. At the same time, magbigay ng skin tone dito sa skin ko, syempre. So guys, I'm gonna assemble this one. So ito yung magiging main light ko. And this one in front of me, it's not in front of me. dito sa right side. So ito yung main light ko, yung ginagamit ko ngayon. Ito yung Nuo 360 version 2. And ito yung magiging main light ko right now kasi mas bigger siya and mas flexible siya comparing doon. Yung reason kung bakit ito yung gagamitin ko is meron siyang soft box. This is the Nuo 360 version 2 and papalitan natin siya ng RMA Studio Light in 3, 2, 1. This. Alright guys, so yun yung difference ng studio lightings and yun yung impact sa mga videos nyo and sa mga photos nyo. So thank you so much guys. I hope you learned something from this video. Hit that like button if gusto nyo and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yung red na button doon sa baba and yung bell doon sa gilid. Just click that and thank you so much guys for watching and comment below if you have some suggestions or comments and if you have some, you know, reklamo or anything. Yeah, so just comment below and thank you so much guys for watching and I'll see you guys. Thank you so much guys for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.